Now come to exercise 1.3. Say question number 1. Find each of the following products. See the solution. A part 3 into minus 1. A part 3 into minus 1. Here if you multiply it, plus into minus, it will be minus 3 into 1, it is 3. This is your answer. Now B part. Minus 1 into 225. What will be your answer? It will be minus 225. Now C part. It is minus 21 into minus 30. Here if you multiply, these two are negative integers and it is even, therefore it is, the product will be positive integer, or you can multiply like this also, minus minus plus 21 into 30, you will get 630. This is your answer. Then D part. It is minus 316 into minus 1. Here again minus minus plus 316 into 1. It is 316. Your answer is 316. Now E part. It is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. If you multiply any number by 0, what will you get? 0. Therefore, product of minus 15 into minus 18 is multiplied by 0, you will get 0. This is your answer. Then F part. It is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Here, multiply these two integers together. That is, you can write like this, within the big bracket, minus 12 into minus 11 big bracket close into 10 equal to, if you multiply minus 12 into minus 11, minus minus plus 12 into 11, you will get 132. 132 into 10. And if you multiply 132 into 10, you will get 1320. This is your answer. Now come to G part. It is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Here let us multiply negative numbers together. This can be written as 9 into, write negative integers within big bracket, that is minus 3 into minus 6. This can be written as 9 into, solve big bracket, minus 3 into minus 6, minus minus plus 3 6 18. This can be written as 9 into 18 and multiply 9 into 18, you will get 162. This is your answer. Now come to H part. It is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Here let us multiply first two negative integers together. Let us write in big bracket. It can be written as minus 18 into minus 5, first big bracket, into minus 4. Open the big bracket, minus minus plus 18 5 90. It will be 90 into minus 4. Multiply it, you will get minus 360. This is your answer. Now come to I part. It is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Here let us multiply all negative integers. Write in big bracket. It will be minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3, big bracket close, into 4. If you multiply, there are 3 negative integers, the product will be negative. Multiply 1 into 2, 2, 2 3 just 6. It will be minus 6 into 4. If you multiply it, you will get minus 24. This is your answer. Then come to J part. It is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here let us multiply two terms together. Write in big bracket. This can be written as minus 3 into minus 6, big bracket close, into, again big bracket, minus 2 into minus 1, big bracket close. Now solve this. Open first big bracket. It will be minus 3 into minus 6. So minus minus plus 3 6 ja 18. 18 into. Now open the second bracket. It is minus 2 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 2 into 1. It is 2. And 18 to ja 36. This is your answer.